Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about libraries in Python. Okay, so these are the important libraries in Python. First of all, Python library is a collection of related modules. Okay, so it is a collection of related modules. The module contains bundles of code that can be used repeatedly in different programs. Okay, so in C program we have header files. Okay, so hash include stdio.h. So here stdio means standard input output dot header file. So this is the header file which contains all the declarations and definitions about input output functions, right? Yes. So in C there is header files. In Python these header files are known as libraries. Okay, మనకి C లో అయితే header files ఉంటాయి. ఆ header files లో ఏముంటాయి? Declarations and definitions about statements. Okay, either printf or scanf. Okay, so here Python libraries are collection of related modules. Okay, and it contains the libraries contains the code that can be used repeatedly in different programs. So based on our requirement we use libraries in Python. Okay, so మనకి C లో header files ఎలాగో Python లో వచ్చేసేసి libraries అలాగా. So library is a collection of code, bundle of code, and that can be used repeatedly in our programs based on our requirements. So what is the use of libraries? Okay, so libraries contains all the code related to some specific function. Okay, so we can directly access those codes without rewriting. Okay, so here it makes Python program simpler and convenient for the program. So libraries helps the programmer in a simpler manner and convenient manner to write the programs. Okay, so next these are the different types of Python libraries. The first one is TensorFlow. This library was developed by Google in collaboration with Brain team. So ఈ TensorFlow ని Google team develop చేశారు with the help of Brain team. Okay, so this is mainly used in machine learning and deep learning algorithms. This TensorFlow library is mainly used in machine learning and deep learning algorithms. The researchers also use this Python library to solve complex problems, mathematics and physics. Okay, complex computations in mathematics and physics. So here computations means calculations. So those complex calculations in mathematics and physics are solved by this TensorFlow library, Python TensorFlow library. Okay, next one is Matplotlib. So this is the very important library in Python. So this library is responsible for plotting numerical data. Okay, and that's why it is used in data analysis. So here this Matplotlib is mainly used by data scientists. Okay, to analyze the data. It is also an open source library. What is meant by open source? Open source means anyone can use this library. Okay, so freely available library is known as open source library, and plots high defined figures like pie charts, histograms, scatterplots, graphs. సో మెయిన్గా వీటన్నిటిని కూడా డిజైన్ చేయడం కోసం ఈ మ్యాట్ప్లాట్లిబ్ని మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో డేటాని అనాలిసిస్ చేసుకొని based on data it can give figures like pie charts, histograms, scatter plots, graphs, etc. So that is the importance of matplot library is mainly used for data analysis. Okay, next one very important library, pandas. Okay, so pandas are important library for data scientist. Okay, సో ఎక్కువగా పాండాస్ని డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ యూస్ చేస్తుంటారు. ద పాండాస్ సపోర్ట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ లైక్ సార్టింగ్ ద డేటా, re-indexing of data, iterations mean repetition of data, concatenation combination of two different data, and conversion of data conversion from one type to another type, visualization. So we already said like pie chart, bar chart, visualization of data, and aggregations. Those are known as union, intersection. Okay, so these are aggregate. Okay, so pandas are mainly used by data scientists. Pandas support different operations on data. So we can perform different operations by using pandas library on data. Okay, so let's see next one, Numpy. So the Numpy stands for Numerical Python. It is commonly used a library. So in Python we commonly use this library Numpy. It is popular machine learning library that supports large matrices and multi-dimensional data. So this Numpy is used to support the multi-dimensional data. So in array it contains single dimensional, two-dimensional and multi-dimensional. So this NumPy is used to support large matrices. Okay, large matrices and multi-dimensional data. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is multi-dimensional data. So it supports multi-dimensional data and large matrices. Okay, NumPy. Next one is SciPy. The SciPy stands for Scientific Python. This library is built over an extension of NumPy. Okay, so it is the extension of NumPy. NumPy की extension is SciPy. It works with NumPy to handle complex computations. So to handle complex calculations, we use SciPy along with NumPy. Okay, while NumPy allows sorting and indexing of array data and numerical data is stored in SciPy. So అరేలో ఉన్న డేటాని ఇండెక్స్ చేయడం కోసం, సార్ట్ చేయడం కోసం మనం NumPyని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. బట్ హియర్ SciPy ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు store the numerical data. Okay, so NumPy is used to sort and index the data and SciPy is used to store the numerical data. Okay, so here SciPy is extension of NumPy. SciPy is used along with NumPy. Okay, next one, Scrapy. So here it is an open source library that is used for extracting data from websites. So we have a lot of websites. Okay, so if you want to use the data from websites, you need to use this Scrapy. Okay, so it is used to extract data from websites. It provides very fast web crawling and high level screen scraping. ఓకే, సో వెబ్లో నుంచి డేటాని ఫాస్ట్గా ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ యూజింగ్ Scrapy. So these are the very important libraries in Python. There are many other libraries in Python. Python contains many libraries. Okay, so and these are the few important Python libraries. Let's see one by one. TensorFlow and next Matplotlib. TensorFlow is used for machine learning and deep learning, used in machine learning and deep learning, and it is used to solve complex calculations in mathematics and physics. Matplotlib is used in data analysis and high defined figures like pie charts, histograms, scatterplots, graphs. సో వీటన్నిటిని కూడా గ్రాఫికల్ ఫార్మాట్లో చూపించడానికి మనం Matplotlib లైబ్రరీని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ Pandas. Pandas ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ బై data scientist. Okay, so Pandas support data operations like sorting, indexing, iteration, concatenation, and etc. Next, NumPy is mainly used in arrays. Okay, it supports multi-dimensional array. Okay, next, SciPy. SciPy is used to store the numerical data. Okay, NumPy is used to allow sorting and indexing of array, and it is used to store the numerical data. And next one is Scrapy, is used to extract data from websites. Okay, so These are the important libraries. If you have any doubts regarding to these libraries, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.